6:31. Ticket costs for events in Detroit could actually go up, and the local lawmaker trying to make it happen says you'll thank him in the long run.
Yeah, State Senator Coleman II wants to add a $3 tax to tickets to shows at games in the Motor City. 7 Action News reporter Jennifer Ann Wilson joins us now to talk about that tax and why Young thinks we should want to pay for it. Jennifer Ann?
Yeah, well, Young says that if you take an extra $3 out of the bank to pay for your event ticket, it probably won't be $3 you notice too much, but it could be used to put into a fund to buy badly needed equipment and supply resources for first responders. Now, Young says that police, fire, EMS are stretched very thin already to serving the city day to day. This is something we've reported on. But he says when there's a big event, that means tens of thousands of additional people to protect. And they're already, as I said, on a normal day stretched thin. Young proposes a $3 excise tax for tickets at venues with 5,000 or more seats for the city of Detroit. Now, that money, he says, would be divided 3 ways evenly, given to police, EMS, and firefighters specifically for hiring new equipment or fixing old equipment, anything they need to keep the city safe. In the long run, Young says this tax benefits us all.
For us in this state to ask for police officers to put their lives on the line, to run into hail of gunfire, for firefighters to run into a burning buildings, for emergency services personnel to go and try to save people's lives in very dangerous conditions and not provide the finances necessary in order for them to do their job. Because when they don't have the resources necessary, it costs people their lives.
Yeah, well, no one's excited about spending more of their own hard-earned cash on additional taxes, but you may not know that here in Michigan for big events, there is no tax. Tickets are exempt, and they're one of about 11 states in the country that operate in that way, while though many other states, such as Maryland and Nevada, actually have a 10% tax on tickets for big events. And those taxes go towards similar things. In Oklahoma City, they actually installed a tax on their big events to help chip away at their own city debt. In this case, he says that $3 would go specifically to first responders. Reporting live, Jennifer Ann Wilson, 7 Action News.
Thanks, Jennifer Ann. Of course, that leads us to our poll question today. Do you support adding a $3 tax to tickets for events in Detroit at entertainment venues? Yes or no? You can vote right now using our mobile app or by going to our website, WXYZ.com/vote, and we will share the results at the end of the 6 o'clock show.